Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you some map settings for the Narwal Freo Z10. If you're interested in the Z10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're going to enter into our device. Now, from the screen, we can actually see our populated map right here. And from the screen, there's a couple map settings we can do. These have to relate to cleaning. The first one is we can do a room clean. So we can choose the areas on our map that we want to clean at any given time. We can also do a zone clean, and we can add multiple zones on our map. Let's see, up to 5. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think around 5, maybe 6 zones at a time you're able to clean at any given moment. So you can add multiple zones, or clean by room, or clean everywhere on your map. Below the room and zone toggle, we have another option here where we can choose our different cleaning settings, whether that's vacuuming and mopping, you get the idea. But there's a customization option here where basically we can choose for each room how it's going to clean in that particular room, which is really cool. So you can build that out as well if you want. You can use that customization tab and choose for each individual room how you want it to handle. Just vacuuming, mopping, adjust suction levels, wetness levels, all of that can be built out within the map. Moving along, everything else for the map can be accessed from an icon that kind of looks like a map on the right-hand side of the screen towards the top. It's below the X. It's basically a box with a couple of lines through it. So we can select that. It's above the station icon. And we have map management in the top right-hand corner there. So we can select that. This is where we can toggle on or off basically multi-floor mapping. You can save up to 4 maps at one time. And then you can take your maps and you can delete or rename them. So that's where you can manage all your maps right there. From that same icon though, we can also choose our map to edit. And then we have some options down below, monocolor or 3D. And what do you want to display? You can toggle these on or off if you want to see carpet and room names or not on your map. But where it says map editing, currently we have main map selected. We can select main map. And here's all of our mapping settings. So we can split rooms. We can merge rooms. We can rename rooms. We have furniture management. So if you want to add furniture to your map, you can. No added benefit besides aesthetically pleasing if you want to build it out. We haven't found that anytime you add furniture on any brand's apps, it actually makes a difference for the vacuum. But there's a furniture manager if you want that, and you can learn more about it with hitting that little question mark, showing you how to edit furniture. Then we have floor material, so you can choose a room and adjust the floor material right here. Same with carpet, you can select the carpet setting. So we have our carpet right there. How do you want it to handle the carpets? Customize or the default setting for carpet. No-go zones. So we can add no-go zones and we can add multiples of these. I guess after we confirm the first one. But we can add multiples here. So vacuum and mop, vacuum or mop. What do you want it to not do? Both, just not vacuum or just not mop. And you can build that out on your map. Then we have heavily soiled rooms. So on the map, we can set one. And you can learn more about the heavily soiled rooms right here. But basically, if you mark it as such, it will do intensive cleaning in that room. So maybe there's like a back door, an entryway, somewhere where you have a lot of foot traffic. Maybe bringing in a lot of dirt, grass, things like that from outside. You can mark that area if you want, which is pretty cool. And then lastly, we have edit floor plan. So you can choose your room. And from here, you can actually expand your room out. Basically, it was at 3.5 meters on any side. You can't shrink it in. So if you wanted to shrink a room in, I guess you could just add no-go zones and shrink it in that way. But you can expand out your room as needed, which is pretty neat. So that's a look at your map settings for the Narwal Freo Z10. Thanks for watching.